Allow me to recite a few verses from Kabir's poetry. Kabir says, "Hey sadhu, hey people, whether you search for me or seeker, I'm with you, not in temples or mosques, not in Kaaba or Kailas. I'm not in chant or rituals. I'm with you when your heart is pure. The fish thirsts in water, how strange. The self forgets the self, how strange. The divine is within, yet we search outside. Lost in illusion, we wander blind." Shri Vajratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kurve Deva Subhakayeshu Sarva